Have you ever felt emotionally overwhelmed and didn't know how to handle it? Well, today we're diving into the world of emotional regulation and providing a step-by-step approach on how to cope with those feelings of emotional dysregulation. First, it's essential to pinpoint the situation. What exactly happened? Detailing the event as accurately as possible can provide a clear perspective on the matter. Capture as much information as you can, painting a vivid picture of the event in your mind. Now it's time to delve into your thoughts about the event. What are the immediate thoughts that spring to mind? How does this situation stir up a response within you? Could it be a sense of disrespect or feeling unheard? Perhaps it's feeling unappreciated or undervalued. Take some time to jot down these thoughts. The next significant step involves gathering evidence. What supports these thoughts? What makes you confident that your thoughts hold truth? It's crucial to document these supporting pieces of evidence. But what about the evidence that doesn't support your thoughts? Could there be another angle to the situation where your thoughts aren't entirely accurate? Are there alternative thoughts that might challenge your initial viewpoint? It's beneficial to jot down reasons why your thoughts might not be entirely true and list any evidence that contradicts these thoughts. Having outlined the situation, your thoughts about it, and alternative viewpoints, it's time to think about what you need to process the event. Can you think of 3 ways to help you deal with what has transpired? Remember, you can't control everything that happens, but you can control your response. Regulating your emotions over time requires acknowledging that you have control over your reactions. Sometimes the best response is to take a step back and give yourself time to process. However, there may be times when the pain and suffering are too overwhelming to process your feelings, and that's okay. During these periods, distraction can be a beneficial tool. There are numerous activities you can engage in to divert your attention, such as going for a walk, hitting the gym, swimming, calling a friend, or even going for a massage. Everyday tasks like washing the dishes or cleaning your room can also serve as distractions. While these tasks may seem mundane, they provide a goal. When your mind recognizes that you're accomplishing goals, even small ones like showering or brushing your teeth, it can boost your morale. These small milestones can be significant, especially when you're finding it difficult to do anything. By engaging in these activities, you'll soon find yourself accomplishing one task after another. There may even come a time when your problem hasn't crossed your mind, providing a much-needed respite from your suffering. This then allows you to revisit the previous exercises, examining your thoughts, and investigating why, even though they may seem logical, there might be another side of the story. By considering alternative viewpoints, you can sift through the evidence and determine the best way to handle the situation. You may even notice that over time, your emotional regulation improves. The ultimate goal is to soften the blow when situations arise that upset us or cause emotional dysregulation. Remember, it's all about understanding, processing, and controlling your responses to these situations.